I mean, the productivity that lights up, the ability to create the things you can do when you are structured side by side is incredible. And then when you span an application and how it can light up knowing there's two screens that it's working on, and the compartmentalization of how your brain can manifest creation through this, I have not seen anything like it in all my days of making products, nothing.
We wanted the pen and keyboard to be easily accessible, but also be out of the way when you weren't using them. And so by design, when we have the pen on the back, this makes this a really easy notebook to use. Say you're taking a Teams call on one side and you have OneNote open on the other. You can see how the dual screens really come to life, grabbing the pen and being able to use it to take notes while you're on your conference call, or being able to look at a website and do research by taking notes on the other side is something that's super important for us. We're excited about announcing the product ahead of launch for multiple reasons. One of them is to show how the innovation in mechanical design, displays, batteries, software and hardware coming together works across all of our products, also comes to life in this new device. On top of that, we're also able to engage with some developers across the board to bring great experiences to life, and it gives us a running start for which developers can work with the new software and new hardware to be ready for in time for when we launch the product.
It's fully reliable, it's fully tested, the hardware is essentially complete. Now it's just curating the completion of the software experience, but more importantly, bringing developers along to see what they can do on two screens. And so the reason I want to talk about it this holiday is I want people to see where we're going, and so we have time to curate the entire software experience, not just what Microsoft brings to the table, what would developers do with a product like this.